LB, ganun din sa mga ka-covenant ko dyan. Today, we're gonna show you how to debone relyanong bangos habang nagkukwentuhan tayo. Tara! Kapatid, natanong mo na ba sa sarili mo what is God purpose for you? God made you for a reason, hindi ka aksidente, no matter what you are now or what has happened to you in the past. He has a plan and purpose for you. Sabi nga ng John 10:10, dumarating ang magnanakaw para lamang magnakaw, pumatay at manira. Naparito ako upang mga tupay magkaroon ng buhay ng isang buhay na masagana at ganap. Mahal ka ng Diyos, and He wants you to live a fulfilling, joyful, and content life despite sa problema that we have. In the midst of trial, difficulties, He wants you to be worry-free kahit may mga problema. Paano naman yun? Rejoice in the Lord of all times. The Bible says, and don't worry.